back for another video. So today's video is going to be a Amazon nail haul. I'm actually starting my press-on nail business, I guess. So I bought some stuff for that, and I bought some other stuff just for me as well. So let's get right into it. I got this like single finger nail lamp. It has the 3 lamps right there. I had to get it in green, it's my favorite color, and it has the button inside, so you like press the button and put your nail in there, and these are the cords that came with it. I will be showing you at the end of the video like how it works and looks and all that. So that's where you put the cord. And I had to get a new Rhinestone Picker. Mine is a hot mess. I'll show you what it looks like too. But they only had pink. I'm not a big pink person, but it's okay. It is what it is. So this is the wax part where you pick it up, and then the other end is like you can use it to like move the rhinestones around. And it has the rhinestones inside. It's so freaking cute. But yeah, I needed a new one. This is what mine looks like now. I've had this thing for years. I couldn't even tell you how long I've had it for, years. I also picked up some, I think these are extra large stiletto full cover tips. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, but everything I show you will be linked down below. The sizes were a little weird too. I don't know, but it's fine. I'll make it work. It's not a big deal to me. And I'll show you too at the end of the video. I do just a quick nail, but they fit fine and everything. I showed this in my last video, but I did get this from AliExpress. It's the crown damping dish. It's way bigger than I expected, but I absolutely love it. I might order another one. But yeah, I love it. I think it was like $3 or whatever. It's so pretty. And you don't need quite as much because it, like, I don't know, it's bigger, I don't know, but that's the size. It's really big compared to my fist, I mean. And moving on, this is the press-on nail kit. This thing is such a, because I was going to buy each of these things individually, which would have cost way more money. This is the only one like this that has like all this stuff. It's called a press-on nail packaging bag kit. I don't know, by Nouveau. But it's a great starter kit. Because I have some stuff, but I didn't have, you know, like the packaging part of it. So yeah, I'm so glad I found this. It was $26, I believe. I'll obviously make sure it's linked down below, but it comes with wipes, cleaning wipes. You got wet and dry. So I'm gonna be doing like little bag. I'll talk about it later, but and then it comes with glue sticks. I have a whole bunch of glue sticks, so I mean this was just added, so that's fine. I don't need to worry about running out anytime soon. It comes with these cuticle pushers, so that's helpful too. So it's like I'm gonna be making I can't think of what they're called. And it does come with 2 rolls of double-sided tape. I'm glad because double-sided tape is pretty damn expensive. This is the one I have that was $6, and I cut it in half and put, you know, the set on each side. But goodness gracious, it comes with these little bags to put the nails in, and everything comes with 25. So this has 25. The wipes are 25. The cuticle pusher is 25. It comes with these little poster boards. There's 25 in there as well. So that's how I have these already, but mine are a lot bigger. So this is perfect because it fits the bag. And then it comes with a file. I don't know the grit on that, but I'm sure it's like 100, 180 grit. And it also comes with these little tabs that you stick on your nail that you can adhere the press-ons with. And a buffing block. This package is like the perfect starter. I absolutely love it. I'm glad I finally got it. I'm going to be making a nail prep kit, so all this will come. It'll be an extra $5 if you want it on with your press on set. And this is the light. I plugged it in, and I do like a demo for you guys real quick. I'm just sizing out just for one nail, one finger. So I've always just used my big lamp, so this thing is like super quicker than, you know, having to maneuver my finger in there. It's so much easier. So I'm going to just use my 3-in-1 Rhinestone base gel just to adhere this to my natural nail. I'm not prepping my nail or anything because I'm just showing how the nail and the lamp work. So I turn the light on first, and then I put the press on my natural nail. And then I held it under the lamp for a full 60 seconds just to see how long the light would last. And it dried it just fine, no problem. And I'm buffing this nail real quick because now I'm testing the nail. I want to see how it holds up to, you know, being buffed and shaped and all that. And these shaped up and buffed fine. They're pretty sturdy nails. I never thought I would be one to say that I like a stiletto nail, but I do. I'm just going in with this polish that I had on my desk. Yeah, I just go in with 2 coats of this. This is a McCart polish. It's from their like green polish collection. I absolutely love this color, and McCart polish, you know, gel polish all together. But I'm just gonna put 2 coats of that and then a top coat. I'm just testing the lamp right now. And I forgot to mention that I did get these Rhinestone, what are they, liner brushes, gel polish brushes, I don't know. But I did get these into a while ago. I actually went on vacation, so I had them sent to my mom's house, and then I didn't go to my mom's house for like 2 weeks, so it took me a while to get them. But I did get these as well from Amazon. I think these were like $11. They were on sale. So I'm just going to test them out for you guys real quick. I've never had liner brushes, but these things, like, oh my gosh, I wish I had them sooner because it makes, you know, drawing your lines, and I love drawing, you know, doing nail art. It makes it so much easier. I got this done in like no time at all. But everything that I got worked amazing. The lamp, the nails, the gel polish. I haven't made my kits yet because I still need to go to the dollar store and get like little baggies for it, but I'm happy with everything I bought. Everything will obviously be linked down below for you guys. But yeah, that lamp is a godsend. I absolutely adore it. These gel polishes, I highly recommend them. Whichever brand you go with, they just make doing nail art so much easier. And the colors are so pigmented and so pretty. These tips are amazing as well. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day or night. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye, guys.